Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unhide slides in Canva. If you've ever hidden a slide to keep it out of a presentation or export and now want it back, the process is quick and simple. Whether you're working on a product showcase, a promotional slide for your Shopify store, or a business presentation, sometimes you may need to hide certain slides temporarily and bring them back when needed. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to look and what to click. Start by opening the Canva project that contains the slide you hid. Once your design loads, look toward the bottom of the editor. You'll see a horizontal strip of small previews, often called thumbnails or pages. This is your slide lineup. Each thumbnail represents a page in your design, and a hidden one will usually look a bit dimmer or display a small hidden indicator, so it's easier to spot at a glance. This feature is super useful when you're working on a multi-slide project, like a product catalog or a sales presentation for your Shopify store, where some slides need to be hidden temporarily. Next, move your mouse over the specific slide you want to unhide. Don't click yet, just hover the cursor over that thumbnail. Now, right-click on it to bring up the context menu. If you're on a device where right-clicking isn't obvious, you can use a two-finger tap on a trackpad or hold the Control key and click. If you're on certain keyboards, the goal is simply to open the menu tied to that slide. This is the moment where you can manage the visibility of your slides without interrupting your creative flow. In this menu, look for the option that says Unhide Page. This option appears only when the slide is currently hidden, so it should stand out. Go ahead and click Unhide Page. That's all there is to it. The slide immediately returns to its normal appearance in the thumbnail strip and re-enters the flow of your design. You can now continue editing, previewing, or sharing the presentation with the hidden slide visible again, just like any of the other active slides. Once it's unhidden, that page will be included again when you present, download, or share the project, just like your other visible slides. If you were working with a team, this also means collaborators will see it active in the design sequence. This is especially helpful if you're working on a team project for your Shopify store, such as a collaborative marketing campaign or product presentation. Everyone will be on the same page, literally. And if you ever change your mind, you can repeat the same approach to manage visibility later. Hiding and unhiding slides allows you to make quick changes to your design as needed without affecting the overall flow. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're selecting the correct slide by glancing at its thumbnail content before you unhide it. If you accidentally unhide the wrong one, don't worry. You can reverse the action using your usual undo method. This is a helpful safety net, especially when working with multiple slides in a design. Also, it helps to zoom out slightly on the editor if you have many pages, so you can see more thumbnails at once and locate the hidden slide faster. This saves time and helps you avoid any confusion when managing a large number of slides. That's the process from start to finish. Open your project, hover over the slide's thumbnail, right-click, choose Unhide Page, and you're done. Simple, reliable, and it puts your content right back into your presentation flow. This feature is perfect for keeping your presentations, product slides, or marketing materials organized and efficient. Whether you're building out content for your store's slideshow, a client presentation, or a promotional campaign, unhiding slides is a quick way to keep your designs flexible and ready to go.